So this part for a GE dryer was called a slide. I didn't know what it was at the time the part was called. I actually looked it up. I'm going to be showing you that on a future video, how you can easily look up part schematics and part numbers. But this one was for the GE filter. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
It's really fairly easy to replace. This whole thing slides off in one piece right here. It should have a little stop here that once it's in, it kind of locks it into the spot here. So it looks like that's what initially broke off. And this part, you slide out and then clean your filter and then slide it back in. But now it's not gonna hold very strong. But it's there for now until I can order a new one. Excuse me. Model numbers right there.
At the time, I didn't know what to call this part. Be on the lookout for my video, how to find part schematics for appliances and part numbers.
Okay, part came in. See how it's got these clips? They just slide in
from right to left.
And then on the back, it should have a holding clip. It's right here. Show you right there.
Yep, so this one was called Slide, and it's WE01X25915 is the part number. Be on the lookout for my upcoming video on one easy way to find appliance part schematics and part numbers. Coming soon. It won't cover air conditioning parts, but it will cover a multitude of other appliances. So it's coming soon on a tip that will show you schematics, an easy way to find part numbers so that you can look them up in a bunch of different ways and find what you need for your particular appliances. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.